All right, this video is going to try to cover three different things: game score, HP for your player, and also bonus ship. So we'll probably start with game score first, because why not? So if we go over to actors, we'll see that we've created an actor called game score. In game score, we can also take a look down here in attributes that we've created a game attribute called score, and we set it at 0 and called it an integer. So all it does at this point in time is it displays game score. Now, the two different ways you score is if you hit the bonus ship or if you hit the enemy. So I'm going to go up and look at enemy, and we'll look at his coding. And it simply says if he gets hit by laser, add game score to game score +1. And on the bonus ship, it simply says if he gets hit by laser, destroy him and set game score to game score +200. So there's your game score. So if we'll run it real quick, we'll see that if we shoot an enemy, we get 1 point. We shoot him a bunch of times, we get more. If we can somehow shoot that bonus, we should get 200. You see the corner strike. So I'm just going to spam. Oh, there we go. We hit it. So there you go. So there's game score. So not too bad. If you want to check out the next one, which is how to throw the bonus ship in, that's pretty easy too. So we'll look at it. So since we're already on bonus, there's we go. If he gets hit, I just simply said if he gets hit, destroy the actor and add to game score, which is a change attribute. Okay. And all the other coding he needed was a move in the direction of. So I just put him to move in the direction of 0, which is to our right at the speed of 300. Other than that, all you need for a bonus ship is a spawner. So let's go over here to my score because I actually used it as a spawner. And it says every 5 seconds, spawn actor bonus. It talks about X is 0, and it gives it a random Y value up and down the screen. And make sure it's set to scene, because otherwise it would be over here where my score actor is. So again, it just says every, and if I want to change this to a random, that's not too bad. So I'll just erase the 5. I'll hit functions. I'll go down in the functions menu until I find random, which of course is in the R's. The min, I don't know, let's make it 3, and the max we'll make it 7. Okay, so then that's a little bit of a randomly spawned bonus ship then. But it'll do the same thing. We talked about it before. Every 3 to 7 seconds, it should show up over here somewhere and race across the screen at a speed of 300. Now, obviously, we could change the speed on it if we want. We could make the speed a random or anything else. And if we hit it, it just simply says destroy and add to game score. So there's your bonus ship. And last but not least, we promised was HP. So as we look at HP, let's take a look at our player. Player, it has a couple things. One, I've set a game attribute HP to 3. And then there's 2 things. One's called damage and one's called dies, and they're what gets it done. So if actor collides with enemy bullet, it does a change attribute, and it just takes HP and sets it to HP -1. So on the first hit, this would go down to 2 and 1 and so forth. And then when it gets to 0, it has a collision, not a collision, but it has an attribute conditional. So if that game HP gets less than or equal to 0, it just simply says destroy. Now, when you make your game, you're probably going to say something like go to your win-lose screen or something like that also. But for right now, I just had him destroy. So there is HP. Again, you have to do it in 2 statements. One takes away from the game attribute game's HP, and the other one tracks that game HP, and when it gets down to 0, it disappears. So that's pretty darn solid. If you need anything else, give me a holler in class. Thanks.